how to use a Roblox gift card or how to redeem a Roblox gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Westnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily use or redeem your Roblox gift card. Now the process actually itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy with this video. First things first, what you want to do is you want to head into your browser on your device, and at the search bar you want to type in roblox.com/redeem. Simply type in roblox.com/redeem by heading into your any browser on your device and then tap on go. Once there, it'll ask you to log into your account first. In my case, I'm already logged in, so you can see once you're logged in, you'll get an interface like this. It says enter your gift card, virtual item or promo code below, so simply enter it here and then tap on redeem option at the bottom of your screen and you'll be able to redeem it. So this way you can easily redeem a Roblox gift card and use it. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.